erokamane Nyawolta Nyambaga, achiel kachiel kowuok Kariobangi North, kama bende itime yiero mar MCA. Kawadhi nyime en ni jaod bura ma Saboti Caleb Amisi okwedo tulo kuonde chung' od buche mitime yiero madundo kaka Malava, Kasipul kod Mbeere North, kowacho ni obila ok tim tijgi machiwo arita kaka dwarore. Oseyo jogo matiyo gi kweth njore buogo ngima jogo ombulu, wirani ok en ranyisi makare moloyo e kinde ma piny Kenya ochomo yiero maduong'. Kaka yor bedo gi yiero maonge tulo, Amisi wacho ni duol mar IBC nyaka chung yiero madundo madhi nyime sani nyaka kanyo makwe nodogie wang'e.
The IBC to take this matter with utmost urgency to prioritize the protection of human life, adherence to the law, preservation of public peace in all areas that are conducting election today by postponing the ongoing by-elections up to a time when peace prevails. It has never happened in the history of democratic Kenya that all electoral areas have experienced violence in one way or another. In Kasipul, you can see the member of parliament for Homa Bay Town has been seriously harmed. You've seen a member, one of the candidates in Malava, being arrested. How dare you arrest a candidate participating in an election? But the failure has been on police and the security apparatus. We must call it out, and we should not let the mistake of the police run to the IBC. IBC has no problem, has set up all the systems. IBC is not a policing institution. IBC has no weapons. It has no security apparatus to manage elections. Their process needs to be supported and guarded by security